How to compare Progressive insurance rates and get the best deal. Progressive offers competitive rates for auto, home, and other insurance policies, but prices vary based on several factors. Comparing rates ensures you get the best deal while maintaining the right level of coverage. 1. Factors that affect Progressive insurance rates. Your premium depends on driving history, location, vehicle type, age, and credit score. Safe drivers and those with good credit typically receive lower rates. 2. How to compare Progressive rates online. Step 1. Visit Progressive's website or use a third-party comparison tool. Step 2. Enter your personal details, driving history, and vehicle information. Step 3. Adjust coverage levels to see how different plans affect your premium. Step 4. Compare rates with other insurers to ensure Progressive offers the best value. 3. Using the Progressive Name Your Price tool. Progressive's Name Your Price tool allows you to enter a budget and see coverage options that match it. This helps find a balance between affordability and protection. 4. Discounts that lower Progressive insurance rates. You can save money through bundling policies, safe driving discounts, multi-car discounts, and pay-in-full discounts. Progressive also offers usage-based savings through its Snapshot program. 5. Comparing Progressive to other insurers. It's important to compare Progressive with companies like Geico, State Farm, and Allstate. Rates and coverage can vary significantly, so getting multiple quotes ensures the best deal. 6. Getting a personalized quote. The best way to find an accurate rate is by getting a custom quote based on your specific situation. Rates can change frequently, so checking regularly is beneficial. 7. When to switch or negotiate a better rate. If your Progressive premium increases, consider adjusting your coverage, applying for more discounts, or switching providers for a better deal. Progressive offers competitive rates with flexible options, but comparing quotes ensures you don't overpay. Checking discounts and customizing coverage can help lower your premium while keeping strong protection. To see the best offers on insurance in your state today, click on the link in the description below.